Hello everybody, let me introduce you to a very valuable information, that is information how we can learn to live in this complicated world, how we can govern our body laws and how we can help our body and live happily that particular period that nature has given to us. How we can influence our active longevity and what has to be done to make this longevity really active. We are glad to present a unique system which helps to prevent health problems and prevent those consequences that we get as a result of wrong nutrition. We offer a step-by-step system providing organism purification from toxins, and this information is reflected in our presentation, and you are welcome to watch this presentation right now.
Coral Detox. A person is a living system. The internal environment of the human organism is blood, lymph and tissue fluid, which is directly responsible for delivering nutrients like protein, fat, carbohydrates to each cell of the human body, and for removing byproducts, so-called endotoxins. At the same time, our organism is affected by external ecological factors. Exotoxins enter our body through our skin, mucous membranes, respiratory pathways, and with food. Toxins are in effect poison that either enters the body from the external environment or is created inside the body. Exotoxins are harmful elements of chemical and organic origin that enter the body from the outside via polluted air and water, poor quality food, alcohol, cigarettes, etc. Most common sources are through food poisoning, toxins from bacteria, nitrates, nitrites, heavy metals, etc., breathing polluted air, for example, in large industrial cities, at a workplace with hazardous materials, living in a geographical area that has an ecologically poor living environment, smoking, inhaling fumes from household cleaning products, etc., alcohol and drug consumption. Endotoxins are harmful elements that are formed inside the body through natural processes. The creation of toxins and slags happens continuously and is not manifested in everyday life. In time, endotoxins accumulate in the body, and this causes various health problems: urinary tract infections, respiratory complications, cardiovascular and autoimmune diseases, obesity, or allergies. Common causes of endotoxins are trouble with the digestive system, dysbacteriosis, liver and gallbladder disease, viral and bacterial infections, problems with kidneys, periodontitis, periodontosis, gingivitis, allergies, stress, etc. Also, it is important to understand that 80% of toxins are water-soluble. They can be dissolved in water, but 20% are fat-soluble. They can be dissolved in fat. The kidneys are primarily responsible for the process of removing water-soluble toxins. The liver is responsible for the process of removing fat-soluble toxins. The liver is the main organ for detoxification and filters blood of slags and toxins. What happens if these organs are overloaded and can't keep up with the level of toxicity in the body? The accumulated toxins migrate to other parts of the body, skin, hair, nails, and the result is skin diseases, damaged hair and nails. They migrate to ears, throat, nose, trachea, bronchi, lungs, and the result is various ear, nose, throat illnesses, asthma, allergies, and bones, muscles, ligaments. The result is excess salt deposits, arthritis or arthrosis. Why does this happen? First of all, fat-soluble toxins are accumulated when the liver is not functioning normally. Liver dysfunction prevents the toxins from being removed from the body in a timely manner. The same goes for kidney dysfunction and water-soluble toxins. Secondly, various ecological factors play a role in the development of toxins. Thirdly, dehydration leads to accumulation of toxins. Unfortunately, too many people are not used to the regular consumption of clean and healthy water. It is important to consume enough high-quality water so that toxins can be flushed out of the body with urine and sweat. We need to help our bodies by creating the right environment so that the toxins that enter our bodies can be flushed out. In other words, we need to work on our endoecology. We cannot completely avoid toxins, but we can try to reduce the amount of toxins that enter our body, live in a clean environment, eat well, and drink high-quality water. The most important thing is to help our body to flush byproducts or endotoxins and exotoxins which lead to various health issues. The Coral Detox program is a basic set of products that are designed to effectively detoxify the body. The program consists of coral lecithin, assimilator, H-500 and coralmine. The program activates the body's natural detoxification process and creates the proper conditions of the body's regulatory mechanisms. Coralmine is a natural product made of deep-sea coral used for conditioning drinking water. It provides a high-quality source of water, normalizes the mineral balance in the body, optimizes the functioning of essential systems in the body, and helps to flush water-soluble toxins from the body. H-500 is a source of energy, life fuel for every day. It increases the physical and mental capacity, speeds up recovery after physical activities, prevents premature aging, helps to neutralize toxins in the body. It is proven that waters enriched with H-500 and coralmine helps to flush up to 90% of water-soluble toxins and reduces degradation of bone tissues. Assimilator contains digestive enzymes, and the versatile supplement called lecithin are used to flush fat-soluble toxins from the body. Assimilator is a complex of plant-based enzymes along with vitamins A and D. It improves digestion and reduces toxin creation. Coral lecithin protects cell membranes from toxin damage, helps to effectively neutralize and flush toxins from the body. Assimilator includes a complex of plant-based enzymes that help to digest proteins, carbohydrates, and fatty foods and to reduce the creation of toxins in the body, help the absorption of proteins by digesting them to the amino acid level, help to absorb nutrients and prevent bloating. Coral lecithin is a source of natural phospholipids. Lecithin is the basis of all cell membranes, including those of the brain. It protects cell membranes from damage due to toxins, helps to effectively neutralize and flush toxins from the body. It helps to restore liver cells in case of toxicosis due to the consumption of alcohol, nicotine, medicine, and junk food. An important part of the Coral Detox program is consumption of dietary fiber with healthy bacteria. It is important to create a healthy environment in the body 1 hour before sleep. In order to do that, the recommendation is to have an eubiotic dinner. This includes any fermented milk products like kefir, yogurt, or any other, plus Coral Club products that contains dietary fiber, or any of spirulina, vegan shake, coral alfalfa, coral chlorella, coral burdock root. And the Coral Detox program is a multifaceted approach that ensures a natural flushing of the toxins in the body, the health of cells, and youthfulness for many years to come.